It's oh so quiet. Shh, shh. It's oh so still.
Abersoch is famed for its picturesque views, better than average weather and relaxed atmosphere. But on one weekend every year, there's a very different vibe.
Shh, and so peaceful until you blow a fuse. Sing from the time we can't lose. Sing from, so what's the use? Wow!
And the man responsible for Wakestock for the past 4 years says the area has embraced the benefits that such a big event can bring.
We bring in, across the course of the weekend, over £5 million to the region, which is obviously great for local businesses, hotels, bed and breakfasts, petrol stations, etc. So we love being in Gwynedd, and hopefully we'll be here for many years to come.
John Gosling hopes that's the case. He runs a guest house and restaurant which get an annual boost from festival goers.
You've got to look at how you bring tourists here, and we're trying to bring them here all through the year now, not just in the summer periods. But things like Wakestock opens it up to a younger element that then will come again as they get older.
Not everything left in the festival's wake is so positive. Many campers often leave their tents behind, but this year one housing association has found a way to make use of them.
The most useful items would be sleeping bags, any clothes, any shoes, any tents that are left behind, any camping equipment that we can then pass on to people who are sleeping rough from October onwards for our winter initiative scheme that we run.
Before things return to normality on the Llŷn Peninsula, the weekend promises a feast for the senses, with stars treading the boards in more ways than one.